Good morning, computer science. So this is just for Java. I sorry about being out of the loop for a while. I was working on health. Um, but now I'm back. I was able to finally get some information on our AP exam. So here is a sort of little flowchart on how the AP exam will work. Again, this is just how it will work if you're planning on taking it. You should receive a e-ticket to the exam 2 days before the test. So our test is on May 15th. So you should receive it hopefully on May 13th, I would think. As far as the exam goes, there's two sort of paths that you can take. One path is taking the exam on May 15th. Our exam is set for 1 p.m. Again, this video, I'm not going to go over the breakdown of the exam. I'll put another video up for that. This is just how things will flow. You take the exam. You have to make sure you log in 30 minutes before to be able to fill out questions and, I don't know, verify your information probably. And then you'll take the exam. Now, if you decide not to take the exam, they're going to auto-register you for the June 3rd exam. That doesn't mean you have to take it June 3rd if you're like against taking the AP exam, but that will mean that you'll be automatically registered for that June 3rd exam if you do not use your e-ticket. And that June 3rd exam is at 11 a.m. So if you do take the exam and something goes wrong or you need to retake it, then what you need to do is register within 48 hours, they've said. So you only have 2 days. So at latest, that would be May 17th. May 17th at 1 o'clock or something like that. To register, you have to do it yourself on College Board to self-register for the June 3rd exam. There's no extra fees or anything, but you have to do it if you already took it. If you didn't, then you'll automatically be registered so that you can take the exam on 3rd. Looks like I put the time. The June 3rd exam is at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. These are all Pacific times. If you're going to be somewhere else, then you'll have to do a time change. You just let me know. But this is at 11 a.m. California time. So either way, once you take your exam, if you don't take the exam at all, then I don't know, you're off over here chilling. But once you take your exam, after those dates, the scores are sent to me along with all of your responses so that I have the ability to petition your score. So if they say, hey, you didn't pass, but I think looking at your work that you actually did totally pass, and this is just a result of the everything going on with COVID right now, they're apparently giving me an opportunity to petition the College Board for a higher score. Regardless, after that happens, you'll go ahead and receive AP scores later, obviously, probably sometime in the summer, hopefully. So that's the plan right now. So you'll take the and just depending on which way. Again, if you can't take the exam on May 15th at 1 p.m., then don't worry about it. You're going to be automatically registered for June 3rd at 11 a.m. The one thing, though, June 3rd at 11 a.m., and May 15th, these are the only opportunities you have to take the exam. The only opportunities you have. So if you miss May 15th, you sleep through it, it's busy, whatever, you can't get to a computer, and that June 3rd, then there's no retakes after June 3rd. You just will not have taken the exam. There's a few little things I wanted to mention as well. College Board point out no Internet Explorer. That's not a supported browser. You could use Microsoft Edge. You can use Firefox. They suggest you use Chrome, but anything should work. It doesn't make much of a difference for us, but make sure that if you have a Grammarly extension or a Grammarly app, that they are turned off. The College Board will not allow you to take the tests, apparently, if anything Grammarly is turned on. And if you take any pictures to submit, make sure they're saved as a JPEG. So that's all I have for you as far as the test layout.